G'day, here's a nice example of a Nobby Opal from Lightning Ridge, rules in millimetres, material's been wetted, and the white that you can see is the reflection off the lights. Semi sort of crystal, so this material. Around here it goes onto black base, but there's not much colour in that part of it there. The colours actually looks like it's on top of that. Let's go around this direction first for you. So obviously looks like that's going to be the bottom, although looking at that, darker materials on this side, so it might be better to have that as the bottom. Till you grind around a bit more to see where the colour band lies, then make the decision which is top and which is the bottom. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed looking at that. Cheers.